We are starting a restoration process of this car. We are going to transform it to an electric vehicle. From manual vehicle to electric vehicle. The conversion is going to take place within 3 days. Just keep watching. It was abandoned for 20 good years. From 2005, the car was abandoned by the bush till date. Transform it into an electric vehicle. This is a manual vehicle that was abandoned for the past 20 years. We'll start by removing the engine components. After the removal of the engine components, we shall be installing other components that will make it an electric vehicle. Make sure you share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just keep watching how the transformation will take place. Don't be fed up. This is direct. We are doing the construction directly here. You can learn as a student how to transform electric vehicle, how to transform manual vehicle to electric vehicle. Remember, this car came with a combustion engine. We are trying to transform it into an electric vehicle within the space of 3 good days. We are going to transform this. We are starting with the removal of the engine component, that's the combustion components. As you can see, the process is in making. Just keep watching so that you learn something from here. If you're an engineering student, you're a technical student, you're into automobile, mechanical You are in the mechanical sector, this is for you. Learn from this. Yes, you are trying to transform it. This is removal of some engine components. It's going to take some time, but after the restoration, you're going to love it. Just keep watching. We are removing the coolant section of the engine. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button on your screen. In this channel, we shall be showing you everything you need to know about automobile. From the servicing, the construction, the repairs, the change of parts, and the function of every component of vehicle. This is what the channel is designed for. Don't miss out in any of our videos. You can check our past videos on how to maintain other components of an engine, of a vehicle engine. In our videos, past videos, you shall see how we maintained and transformed some vehicles. So don't be worn out. Always follow us on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. We will be learning about vehicle components. This is the injector. If you are an automobile student or you're into automobile, you can as well learn how to unlock some components in vehicle in our videos. Don't be left out. You can see this is car transformation. A car that was parked for 20 good years, we are trying to transform it into an electric vehicle. It was towed to the township, from the forest to the township. The car could not move, but we are trying to dismantle the combustion engine components so that you can install it with electric vehicle components. So keep watching. You're gonna learn something from this. Be you student, doctor, nurse, anybody, children, you can learn something from it. And don't forget to click our subscription button before you continue. In this video, we shall be restoring the car, and later the car will be transformed into an electric vehicle. So you are still in the restoration process. After the restoration process, you shall be seeing the transformation process. because you're going to make sure that you restore this one for you to work. After restoring it with combustion engine, you convert the combustion engine to electric vehicle with zero emission. Don't be left out. Just keep watching. You're gonna learn something from this. Keep watching. You can learn something from this. This is the car we are talking about before the restoration process began. After the restoration, we shall go into the transformation. We transform it into electric vehicle. Keep watching. Keep watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And share to friends, to your classmates. In our next video after this, you shall be seeing when it was transformed. Sorry. When it was transformed from manual combustion engine to electric vehicle. Just keep in touch with us. In a few days, we shall be seeing the transformation. This is the restoration process. In 3 days' time, after the publication of this video, we shall be seeing the transformation process. We are still in the restoration process. At least let the car move first. After the car have moved, then we start the transformation process from manual to electric engine. Keep watching. Keep watching. Yeah, alright guys, in our next video, the restoration has taken place. In our next video, the transformation will kick off, so that you are going to see how it was molded to an electric vehicle in our next video. That is converting manual vehicle to electric vehicle. This is the restoration process. We want to ensure that the car is moving first. After we have ensured that, we will now dismantle everything and then convert it into electric vehicle. That is zero emission vehicle. You're gonna love it. Keep in touch and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share to your friends that are in need of automobile maintenance techniques, and always follow this channel for your maintenance guideline. See you in our next video. When we come, we show you how we transform this car into an electric vehicle within space of 24 hours. So hoping to see you in the next video where the actual transformation will take place. This is the restoration process. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.